Hello everybody, welcome back to my American textbook reading. My name is Brian Stewart. In this lesson 2, we're going to talk about differences, living things and non-living things. So talk about verses. VS of course, verses. Verses. In another word, talk about differences. The differences between, you will discover the differences between living things and non-living things. So different things between is like version. Living things like the baby here, a cute baby and a cute teddy bear, and non-living things. First, let's look at living things. What are living things? Living things need water, air, and food to live. Living things need three things to live. They need water, air, and food. Animal and plant are living things. They are living things, okay? As opposed to non-living things. Na means not. Not living, meaning to not alive. Non-living things do not need water, air, or food. Rocks and water. For example, not living things do not alive. They don't have bodies. They don't have parts to move. This example is a non-living thing, or football, or basketball, or baseball. Those things are not alive. They do not live. They breathe. They're not living things. They're non-living things. All things are not living. They live in the place. Environment. This is a place where living things live. Of course, also the place we can find many non-living things too. Environment, we talk about living things, we talk about environment and relationship between the living things. Survive means to continue living. Living things, of course, means goal is to survive. You continue living to keep living. Stay alive. A squirrel wants to stay alive. So living things want to survive. A living thing needs water and food to survive. They don't have water, no air, no food. They can survive. In that case, die. Okay? It's all. They are alone. Look here, this flower here. It's growing up. It's mean water and water, air and food, and to survive will follow what die. No air, no food. So all living things to survive, they need these things to keep living, to grow. Of course, living things grow. Another things they need to survive. They another to grow. Living things change from very small baby to adult to very old to married. What to happen is it's a cycle of life. The cycle of life. All living things grows through the cycle of life. Grow means to get bigger. Basically, to grow. If you have food and water, you will grow. Food, water, and time, you bigger. What? The example here, the fruit of this plant. This plant as it grows, begin larger. Let's take a look at this plant here. They are planted this pot here. Let's take a look. Look at that. They are growing very quickly. They took a long period of time, but the plants are growing. They bigger. They big side of the crossing age too. Older the things grow, they get older. When you grow, you get older. So things grow bigger, they also get older. Let's talk about non-living things. A rock is an example of a non-living thing. It's a small heart and heart. Non-living things is a rock. This is small. Some can be big, but this rock is bigger, and the ground is small and hard and very tough and does not live. It don't need water. It doesn't need food. They need grow. If they give the food or what? No, that's crazy. Unless you less water and chances somehow. By itself, it do not grow. Nature is where other things exist. Nature is a living and non-living things. So living a non-living thing is this in nature. So go to nature, they have their grass, their tree, they have air, their cloud, their sunlight. Some other things are living, so all things are not living. And this all a nature outside world. Safe. We have safe here. If something is safe, there no gender. What in the images is a turtle shell. A turtle used to live here. If the safe was alive, it's die of old days. The couple safe, the old thing that die. Old thing grows, they get bigger. That's part of the life cycle. So the cell, when a turtle was alive, it protected this turtle. It kept it safe to keep something safe. We can say the turtle safe. It's safe and no gender. No gender. Okay, we talk about living things and non-living things. Another word, alive. Alive is so a living thing. Alive means to live, not dead. So we see the fish. The fish is alive and moving alive. They're breathing. There is the fry. They breathe older. They have a cycle of life. All things of breath. And then we die, they will not be alive. So alive is the opposite of dead. Opposite of dies, opposite dead. And now it is alive, they are dead. Okay?